Module number 5 marks the time that you get to showcase what you've learned so far, and we're going to examine a multitude of resources as well within this module that, again, we're continuing to build your skills. So our overview for the module includes Merrill chapters 9 and 11, and oops, I need to change this. Your critique won't be due on July the 5th. Your critique will actually be due on September the 20th. So I apologize for that. I'll get that fixed. And we are going to look at all those resources. Just remember, there is no discussion board for this module because I want you to really focus on completing your assignment, which is due at the end of this module. So the PowerPoint overviews for the 2 chapters, again, you will use this information, so make sure that you stay consistent with your readings. And we're going to be examining causality as well when we're doing the critiques. So this is really a good depiction of how sometimes things are falsely presented as causal relationships when in actuality it is not. And we also are going to take a look at some content about health claims, which will be interesting as we move to our next discussion board too. So here's some information on the county health rankings that you will find to be helpful in the future in the course as well. So take a look at these and start exploring even more. I know that we've already touched on those a wee bit. I want you to continue to explore some of those resources and examining some of the evidence-based practice, some of the resources that are here for you. Again, if these links are helpful to you, keep these links for future reference. I'm introducing some of these links that, again, will be very helpful to you as you move forward. So we also have the general model as far as this is one of the foundational models used in community health and population health, and looking at the different levels that actually impact health beyond the genetics that we know are that attribute to our health as well. And again, this is helpful information for your critique. This has information about bias, and that's part of the critique process, as well as this one has bias and confounding. Again, is really helpful as you're examining the literature, the research that is out there. And this is some very easy to understand definitions, just what researchers kind of mean by some of the terms that are used. So again, these resources may be helpful not only for this particular assignment, but you will apply these same concepts as you move forward in the program. And here is the overview of the critique itself. So I have a little video in here for you, and just remember that the critique is due on September the 20th.